ira na bukiete ona bataba sondogete pole that we have taken your time but tunyare gushaka direct twarorirenga kiyiga Yesu guku emebasokano ye Chipara gendete gukorekana emenge and according no mwaziri bw'obasombi Kipchumba Murkomen eragotebanga most 90% of the accidents they are caused by people not following the road rules, safety rules. Yeah, maybe what is happening and does it have to happen every Christmas that abantu bagusiriyo it is following traffic rules?
Thank you, Joan. Ase mangana ye Chipara.
Yes.
Mebusakwa na begendrete. Na indo sekorigereria bintu bitano.
Okay.
Bikorete mebasokana. No boka sanga pya butuko. Ibintu bitano nyeturabi avoid.
Okay.
Bakoma basokana correct? Okay. So abantu baito bono igagere rush hours.
Okay.
Ose kogenda booking offices chifea chikorete
chijege sana.
Shoot tigo dabu. Abantu bande basoire paromete ne Christmas time chigari chasoire chiruti chiri kitari kogenda. Private vehicles umuntu atanga kinkintaro serie bese. Otro soariga obanganga Nairobi ngogenda enjoy ngachiri bibere toge
tochie
bagende bono kumbe tamanyeti nonye ajazo ya barabara.
Okay.
Bono kwanyoro itiraba
abantu
so tama abantu bono iga kwa sababu anana peak hours then peak time ya amasaha mangana transportation abantu ngoenda bari inka abande ngoira na bari ku town so abagotaka banyara kibese icu nandi kibese kiri higher than igikonye na chikova so egenteke kia accident okwanda mono bono iga yokeretire dancing inchi season turime.
Okay.
Abantu babeira abange batagete gusafiri kigari cyabeire
chinyinge
bono muntu ngo cyale para nonyano yoko nyontari kogende separa aro chigari nera abantu ko polisi abainkie gukora tigambo kuri abantu ngende Nairobi bono gako genda tanya kwenda long distance ogende sedi para tana guchia onyora kumbe tarayinara oko over speed yo kwenda bwenga ne para kawaida otari ko bamwangalivu onyora itira abantu.
Okay.
Igobone season yeye na biri like iriyo abantu bari utariko chintera abantu kuchiko babangalivu abantu abange gusiyo buzima bwabo. Kwaroche mo CS Murkomen nabe gete na lonje tu salama barabarani. Was there on the other day. Kera lonje tu salama barabarani. Iga amine tinga ki assess season yebona iga. Tiga bona abantu tobe collective responsibility abantu basoye para. Kurwa basigari kurwa yani bona kero muntu participate kwa ensure bara yetu nkorenere save. Inde pare gutumeka no muntu akogenda no muntu gutara. Bona sisi wote ntobwenda guchangia sakoba save asipara. Ndala chwa address ibinde bitano season yeye nakikinare kwa vala korwe overview nga igere season ire bisi.
Okay.
Kero muntu ngo travelia ndite yokolengera nga muntu kombuko litali driver ndite yokomorengera diboyo.
Okay.
Nanyo alegari uchira.
Okay, asante sana. Bono nakanito chake nga umete ekerenge kenene kikiagera na chorete nga let me bring lister ngo somyora bana koko chaka korundi chigari paraga and most people talk about experience for long distance but umete mwana mumurere kamanyanga na bonko tacha ero chire. Now what are some of the traffic rules mukonyara kubasomi gali esukuru?
The traffic rules chire chinyingi.
Okay, the
main one. Usually kore para.
Okay.
Kabebu na nore ready ko giveaway.
Okay.
Motari kwamererania. Kona ikaga iga oyondo chenkorwara no yonkorwara sign post njiro botambe giveaway.
Okay.
Giveaway. Mo kwamererani paka mutumane. Number 1. Number 2. Ntomanye tenga Kenya botambe toko keep on our left.
Okay.
Botambe.
Yeah.
State inde chikoenda on the right. Ntutora on our left. One is kutoka those two rules to chibwateti nayo kokose problem.
Okay.
One to keep it left, another driver comes here or keep right. Confusion yeah. Because tuwago so mirboigo in the Kenyan roads na bato keep left. Umondo ndo chile tana kwa lauru che para ne para ogende sa kwa ndochi. Those rules tari kuchi observe. Nkonyoro chi rules tinye ntubwata riven road signs. Chibwate signs omaeto iko so me skuru nga kikore sign buneye. Eye minetinga e bambunero mutu slow.
Okay.
Ingore sign bune ne sharp bend nera. Ono go prepare. ngisha ben ne kortaki
Nero. Okay.
Bambu ne bridge ne motwa so we prepare nga enar bridge ne kortaki
Nero.
lakini kwa nyara sai ni monta ya somereti monta chiti ko yetilia manani ga komera na nero tama etiki yako ko esha ben yo manya ko yando gari ya skide ya slip off the road waita abantu una bono meru ali para tari waita abantu sana.
Yeah,
that is a problem. Monto tari go chiororo and tari keen on the road na ba ko overlook those signs.
Okay.
But they are always telling you nga again to get mutu ya oneke. That's why talk about some road signs. Again to komera mutu ali neke etayarishe kwa manya what to do. Koko ikase mangane Chipara to kubara so mi se para ali model town board. Ukora kitore pare ribunere. Nanye kwana go chi Nairobi to agora kune globe cinema roundabout yakaraki. Twara kwegere dikolema. So that go kugenda kwa manya koko ike roundabout. Tindi go tenena. Tindi go reverse. We can't keep my lane. Manye lane ikingo tu. Kero muntu na so metegente kyo driver. Ayoga enda na masoma mangao munagongana.
Okay.
That's why I do emphasize abantu basome.
But again, Madam Lister, Dr. Lister, the age.
Yes.
Does it come in? Ngoyo nabwate oyo no musaya bakorundie gari bororo noyo no muntu nalire pare no munyangongo ye nalire lakini anywete chumbeke na bamaisa kora ikaba cyane gose barabumba maite na miami na bakogendi. Another thing, ekirto kwanira about speed. Onye noeba kwanalire para nabo gutira 122 nabo gutacha 180 gochimwino.
Number 1 te yanga address emyaka. Curriculum ya ito yako skuru. Toko chaka osama driving it at 18 years.
Oh.
Toko chaka osama driving. Ekebande toko chaka osama driving. Na ende ke gwango ngere toko kwa.
Okay.
And beyond ke gwango gito we toko soma.
Okay.
Ega tora kwa ene ke gwango gete.
Okay.
Toko ganye na ende for maturity another 2 years. Tumana comment ke gwango kene. So age is very important.
Okay.
Why abana but they become excited. Abeiro montereva this is on the road. Chigaru na rocha automatic you just kanyaga mafuta.
Twende.
Anasahau kuangalia road signs, amesahau kukua keen on the road over speeding yaso ime mwana urutaba nto motaro. Tariko manyabuna kerole para umuntu naroto mu mwana yetinga wa minutinga abantu bari Chipara mbegeiri.
Yes.
Kwa mana kuito mwana oria umuyibori ka minutinga serikali ne tometa abantu Chipara bakarataki. They get the driving. Driving kungokora kire mirimo yabo. But because of age, omwana excitement, we the rest. Obuyaro bwaso akakwendega. So they really overspeed. Okay. So at some age we are very much we consider that so. Again, the kende yaka bere emyaka na nderi yabero muntu akabe obanyamasi se para. Nara is very very critical. Okay. Mazoea ni mbaya sana. Okay. Yentona lete kokora you overlook ebinte binge. Bona abange kwanza bakose bunabona chikazi yabete kerishari no mugaka getokosi myaka menge sana. Area londiani. Yes. Hiyo ni miaka mingi. Okay. Lakini shida ilikuwa nini? Yeye anajua yeye ni driver. Bona naende paka kweba naende uchovu. Umuntu kwagene na wande chiro mondereba kwagende sabali kwera ne trip yakabere kwenda yata bona kwaera rukwarasa. You kill people. So age elitondo danga bono bunyamasi bwa ase para nga you are always right. Okay. Every time on the road be keen. The situation might not be the same. Okay. Nabo kwako yandie pare tapugati kumbe mna kwacha kambolingo etakali. Okay. You've caused the accident. Bono so what you expect on the road because the road te para there is na vere pare ro lakini bintu biko kare kone bi. You have to be keen about it. Okay. Yes. Bona egen tokene ne guriga ukwaneru sana ekere chinga kichimba sokane para abantu baigateire chigalime kwanyora na benene y'abantu. How does that cause accident? Ekari balance tingoske. It is overloading ego and beyond the capacity gari benda kubugori. Obori tobwe gari borense wento ko kubugori obori tobwe saine bori igoro. Ekero bwe igoro bwa edandi oborense the gari definitely bakegwe. Okay. Bakegwe. Ngonyora abantu bana dibako ruchichiro. Ukiangalia vizuri. Abantu bekaranse pro boxing. Osen 12. Okay. Ebuti mbaro gosemba 5, motu ambane, motu igabane, how many are those? Abantu 13. Ese pro box. Igora abona chibuni cyamana kubangwa. Yes. Honestly, you look at that and you say poverty amanini. Lakini umuntu okigari nchialengo. Okay. Ninki batare ko bagarira nga edina kigari kine kitokorina. Iya bwango. ya bwangu
Eria kabere
aina baraka
eria kabere umuntu bunanje for instance tikanswera abantu kete ekero to kwenda Migori ekero to kwenda Kihancha kukwarure Migori zile gari jua motwari ekero kekeiga mogwisana sababere kerige ntereba mento yo mari babere maikaga igabe batano ekero kekeiga trisiteli batano yo mugisana uri muinari sana nzega nori muinari sana nzega arafu batatu gatia ugichige seria koro
yasikwa
aya embutu mahegari naro kweringe ensembe ye naro kweringe ensemeria babere naga babere
garinga siekiri
babere igana babere ga arafu yo mabere gatia
abantu bono
itabeti gomete
terigosuka niyo ni tamaa ya pesa
na wanajaza watu
na wanajaza watu na mizigo iko juu mingi omontere basinyire
omena abantu bakire koi chinyanya
nabo bakoiraria and you see intutweka abanyene buna public safety begins with us watigana no montere safety begins no muntu public ayebone gari buneyu you have noticed ibintu ebinga kibano bigokore what do you do omondago kuboringa Kenya kubwate yao koraki umuntu te barakini sinari guchimbwango nyasaye to ikibia but you see things happen iyo haraka nkwaroche gari ya iteta bateri barenge is it Kitui kakiem it's overflow the rivers are overflowing what was difficult stepping aside waiting akamacha iranense okuruta abantu roche koroche and you see what are you inkie kokwayirira guchikokora these people never reached home the children never reached home they were waiting for the parents. The children, they didn't see their parents because of hurry. Yani utagetenga nitataka nifike mapema. Tose kuruhusie gendeki of hurrying. Kuruasa mmetwe. My time wani miyama onajani, nime learn kurelax. Ile time nitafika, ni ile time nitafika. Iyo speed mimi staki.
Lakini mostly basubati mbanchi ti speed.
Kiagera what is it that you are chasing? Oko wake sawe ndani yaki, ndabari ndetingi kira abana. So you relax. Twende pole pole bora tufi mara nyingi na aliko nachika aliko Nairobi na ichinkeiga I could tell the driver we are not in a hurry na indi na rang orosiro wegendi ga Nairobi ira namata ya yeska wacha niendeshe hiyo gari namata birara tuagenda long distance 1 hour iri taigwetiko sengi gari mari namanya kwebuli muntu acho kututanchira so abantu fatigue fatigue elio manyete obongo ngoro sabuli and fatigue accident they happen in a second oko chikomia amiga
oko
nenda auko watu wako nyasago spare of moyo fatigue is very very the main cause of accident wako an overspeeding eri wata age abantu banda abanyamasi asepara naende ntwate aba they are hurrying oko hari baikere bintu gite
nonyora lakini musaye mo guchera 30 km 50 km
bitamba yabo
no ene tiku ikabare
as you grow on na eba your patience is not my patience my age determines my patience your age determines your patience nkerora otabe patient but I can be so age determines the patience akanyore jamu nabantu baruchinga chikali nchira andi bada hategete ko migereria nainde bukubori naki I remember there is a time nari kugenda Nairobi na abana bona tuachiri ngonya nkibono kiaba kumbe the narrow road it's overflowing chikali nko yuchire so the jam imeja still abantu naibarochi gocha suka gochi moto wake suka gochi moto and then barochi chikali ngora kire ko yuchire botwali sasa boring aki kayo yago when I realized that I said oh my god I ngaonjore gari tokaso hotel tukarara hata hiyo maji tutajaribu obo tuko umando maitende December yuko koraki so tinko risk na abana tukalala impromptu Nairobi manaro tukalala bogakibi ya mandi chinsa boneti kama ngo Nairobi so patience okwake sabu kabiri this is my life, this is the life of my children, the life of my people, the life of someone's children, someone's parents. You cannot hurry.
Bueno, in less than an year, abantu gwetani chiribunye
4,000
basiririe magima gwetere basokano ye para asenchire ye mugose yende labde beyonce mbiko seti what are the things turanyara gukora gutange basokano ye Chipara
bono we gatokora a lot of sensitization that one we cannot get her to do when I born into I remember on 21st of November every third week that Sunday of November.
Yeah.
The remembrance day for
those who lost their lives
on the
through
road.
accidents.
Yes. So what we do is sensitization. You remind people. Una Chipara go kostira makweli. Chipara chinchiri save.
Okay.
You participate. You na pedestrian tare so when to tara.
But again, akera to kwandira around 4,000 basiriria magimavo, mbaro around 6,000 batikarete ne chingo machinti.
Abange.
More than 6 actually.
Yes.
And then mbaro bara anga chiri bukianda. Yes, lakini they are having those marks.
Yes. Then the touch the trauma or
exactly.
Yes. And you see, even the Beyonce, the number is contributed by ignorance.
Okay.
By those 5 factors I've told you. Overspeeding, driving while you're fatigued, when you are driving on the road, you on the road, you are on phone, you are driving. You hurry. Overspeeding yaswa ime.
Okay.
And you see those people, ekero mondako akuna bano yokonywa marwa. You see someone, and especially in the night. I had more comments say, there's some accidents happening between Friday and Monday morning.
Okay.
So that means people go to the club, they are drunk. Na baba nene.
Okay.
Eyimba manyetiko say marwa ali na bakosi accident. They don't see it. Nikimaliza nitaenda kwangu vizuri. Na rebwango we lost one of the principals of a school. Was stories had that he was coming from town and he was drunk. Kagonjo kali nyambera he could not see the road clear. He would drove to the river. Akasirio bagimabwa yego. A very humble teacher. So drinking and driving biriko gendamo. They are parallel. But when drink, you cause a problem in the driving.
Okay.
Yeah. So if our people are sensitized on, wherever I go, hari ndiyo inawasumbua.
Okay.
Some are drunk. I remember there's a time ilibidi nipande motorbike usiku. Saa 5. I was carried by a drunk driver. I told him stop. Can I realize this drunk? Amtaiwacha pesa nimefika. Nilingoja ingine. Because I know taro Chipara. Kwanza elimbo tuko aone kwa barabara. So drinking and driving, hurry on the road, overspeeding on the road, phones on the road, you are not settled, you are tamai kwa ya pesa, nataka kutengeneza pesa mingi, overconfidence. Yeah, Never be overconfident with driving.
But how did Michuki manage to tame
Michuki could keep his words.
Okay.
Michuki could say and keep his words until you sing no other. Oh my other Kenyans, we are funny. We can play around with you. There is no that thing you can say, emphasized. If you look at Michuki and Matiang'i, people feared them.
Yes.
Because they kept their word. It's either this way or no way. They kept the. You could see the safety belt.
Yeah.
Yeah. And people don't even remember. When I get to the Ngoboli driver safety belt, madam, no, I'll move to another one.
Okay.
Because even those things, the small things that we assume, maybe cause a problem. So Michuki, they were firm. They kept their word. Mbare konyora leeway yo corruption.
Okay.
Para basigari bara onya orugo ko bwatu musigari ayo manyene wako be victim. So raiga tamaliza tu.
Okay. Lakini even tombero bia shitebu na alcohol blow zilienda wapi?
Alcohol blow, and even now they are there. But I remember attending a meeting with the Parliamentary Committee of Transport. And alcohol blow was being discussed. A lot of theories came. What quantity can someone take? Why are you talking of quantity in the first case?
Okay.
Yani you are telling people keigo. What is it's like telling someone taka kuragera. Bakaigote. So the alcohol blow, they are still there, but they are not working. And even those debates have been there. We don't see them. They only use them occasionally. This time, there are strict rules on using it.
Okay.
Yes.
And is there any age limit that is supposed to be?
Yes,
watch
very
time?
necessary. very necessary.
What are the suggestions that you can give?
Age limit. Asa abantu bakogendia chigari echinke.
Okay.
22. 22 is okay.
22 years.
22 years.
Okay.
Abantu aba bakogendia chigari chikubugoli abantu. Let them be 24. Because 24 muntu yoje no ene family oranyoronyoje. Omanyire obuyabu omwana.
Yes.
Tagochesa na bugima bwo muntu. Atenga kumbe bunando omuntu nakaro moibo. Moiboli. But mwana ebyako the school 18 yobeke paralia utaona jamte makuru. Because nkiba feel it about life.
Okay.
They are only seeing themselves. They don't have a quite bonding with the parents. They are almost independent. So they don't think of anything else. It is them and the road and the car. Age limit is key. Naina abakuri chibinta mesigo. Abantu bali omuntu oro mature ako control yegari byana ndago teba na harosire bono tigandare. Muntu naro utagete cross chibese. Hata afikiri kwamba ninaenda kwa barabara long distance tiganti muke. Erawe kama imayu taga tigangenda nkera abandi ngenda kuchi. So there is a lot of ndende bachi banyu abandi banyora magana basubati. So those things they control them. They got to be mature on the road. But if we decide even at 20 someone can be mature.
Okay.
We are only controlling that because we don't know, we are not sure.
Umetaba namba roba chakete ko ndichigali ko primary yako lititiro chakete ko gendie gali. Gasweta school erebona akwerie para.
Abana baona igana bako gendi, but I don't allow them.
Okay.
Beyond the compound.
Oh.
Sukio pa akiga sukibiya but not beyond the compound. I ask them, but I get to show me the license. Kimaito wikaga nyemia?
Miaka.
Nandenga mami ngaka akibona to ikirese bantu batali yeke morning ke kweta mutwari. Asinyiko control. Ikiara ne pararo chenga nindo chepa. Any eventuality he may not control them. Yes.
Okay, asante sana mwancho murigererio KCTV tumetukusino bwate boli lindo gochasa Dr. Lister abasto kukwanira igoro yobokoreri asensemo yobosombi Chipara no bosombi mebasukene menge Chipara negendrete korrokana ne mono kikeire mebasukone Chipara bono toko inte turaenda sensemo in the studio asetite kankego alafu tokoira na goshulu kukwanira igoro what does enterebe yata kire gutwara segali. Okay, bateba gusene license, timeti gusene yentereba, nere bakora aligeri mutwari asegari, then obokurumi bokenda tasense mu Chipara, ntwarano abanyanyimbo bakobwatwa 50-50. Are they part of the reason we was koneka korekana kwanya oregali na berete pigari te kore service. Te bwati mechibye na be bwata abantu 70, okore rugali tesa. Betiga yeta. Like anchiri ko yari sano, ko gwa abantu bakure mata.
And the other one accountable for the same.
I negati yari to chokwanra to kura sensema in the studio to nere ko bwatera na gakoro kwa director Elvis.
Thank you.
Eye KCTV amandegere yumugusi. Enga kiye Yesu guku enyorere simi ye smartphone asiriguririense kubwa ande onsi nyora esimi buna Samsung, Oppo, Huawei, Redmi, Itel nechinde chinyinge kae abanchwa baho ekegwa giesi mingia yeriguririense kigima kurwa duka moja .co.ke asamange taliru mutandao duka moja.co.ke eye ne ofa erichinga kichesu guku Duka Moja, the online shopping platform you will ever need. Eye KCTV amandegere yumugusi.
Amareta Steve Arika mumsebe godi ebeno ngwakira nyisambi yamono aterendiro mwaka nanto chikotambuko mwakonde buna botambe umwaka yakero kuchikoera tarehe 25 koserekea toreri tukori esuguku amali tukori bekiriri muri abuli ukoinyoria ekenyoronga yo serekali tukori umwana Yesu Kristo aiboletu asensei igo koserekea ne minute nganto twara bangiti ntoba bangiti kende tubwate tusange nabande obosemia indagero yobote mandasi mange tigawatanire onde gekogera ntoba abegumeria ikitubwate gekogera inseyiga rero naye mambi noyo igotiga tubwaterane na inde tutumia twase nyinge asoko korachira egere nande mutumanyenga umwaka onde ngoikore na bana mbatakere kwande skuru na skuru bisineta keire na bintu binde binge asike mwanya bantu
eye Nkisi TV amandegere y'umugusi
Tugaikaria mabuko morogo ba mito moiwe echuma tarezi tacho motinyo gatato Tugaika
Nenu ya
Obo maene
Nota inenu nita baiburi ya kware ngomoke
ya ege to mbwate ngeli no magoko mbwate okoba bono mbwate kinanda ga
Okosokare siko yeshinyama
nanda
Omuro yoko letu amona ndo mugako ndo munyamanya koko soko kwata namo no musho mito wa
mugaka babu ya kuzera sana of millionaire
Bone ngero togo chikore rukyonya alizo sababu nenda konya
alizo sababu tigaora naye
Omo arurure ya
Nyeterekere bono
Haya alizo sababu
Dengana nyama
nere yego joko de kwere
Junior Mario ya
Tagarara buya moiwe Mabana nchena igure asingutara bono boira Umwana urusababu
Obo maene
Mamuro mugako mnyaka 90 bana Ona yako chiko miaka 15. Ona boya na boya amaina rama kwa zeruka.
Marungu ye.
Nibeke.
Tukatondereka amabona.
Nego kwengera kojize. Tereka igoro. Ona marungu ya tori igoro ya marungu bona. Ona tori mu marungu mengaka. Bona tuabekele marungu.
Tori kwegeri.
Tori kwegeri.
Neke nanda.
Ego tiuniga emo neke nanda.
Elioko sabo mwancho muri na toko kubekera.
Nero toko kwa. Kuziba mindo mwezi pia ndozi asimwabita ama sabi jai tonzi pi abagaka mbamurra mbasaye banyaruka iteka imeyakisi tivi
boro no igweke nanda okora twasola utakira litukoliye Jumatatu mpaka Ijumaa
kwanza nakiza 10 mpaka sayemo imeyakisi tivi ama mandagara y'umuguzi kahume buna jinga kigire
Enyorire kugambwa tondi nao niro bolemo Enyorire kugambwa tondi nao niro
eye Nkisi TV amandegere y'umugusi.
This festive season, see more on Star Times. Enjoy 4 fantastic new channels to kick off the holiday spirit. Hey kids, jump on board for more laughter and adventure on Boeing.
Wow, amazing!
Explore the wonders of the world on the Discovery Channel. You'll be at the edge of your seat with the gripping intrigue of true crime stories on the ID Channel. Get some cake and a party hat as you enjoy live out loud lifestyle shows on fascinating families and heartwarming transformations on TLC. Renew your subscription today. Watch the big match, catch up on the news. Enjoy our new drama series Pink Ladies and the latest movies. Sing along to your favorite tunes to keep the good times rolling. See more, be more, do more. Star Times. Enjoy digital life.
eye Nkisi TV amandegere y'umugusi.
Eskuru ya Ben's Gender Preparatory School ne skuru eligetie ase serikali eyobwate aborokia baya abo babwate obumanyi bwa igoro kegima nige skuru yega ebwate birasi byonsi gochakira preschool goikira junior secondary school chibeso gwakana ase skuru yego sa school fees nigo chirense mono nabo igo nigo oranyale gochiakana
amatemwa matanga nitwakoreta 2017 gocha mpaka yatwakoreta 2023 na tuabere togo koribuya ase KCPE na abana aba bakemumanyete na egere banyare gosoma buya mbatakiri gutwara outdoor play equipments yani ibintu biri baguchiesera bari isiko and indoor play equipments ibintu biri baguchiesera bari none klasime sige ne school ye kiraneti togo chamangana JSS school ye itonere registered ne government into bwate bone gabana ba JSS junior secondary school
boigomba bwateri bagali nene ase aboroki obagotienera mbabwate a computer lab ebirasi bisaine mbabwate gari eyokoreta abana na boigo kubairania ase chinka chiabo boigo eskuru ye nige bwata machamaya na boigo endagerenkia yo aborokiwa bakoria
School nkobere lunch program ase school. So lunch program ngeye ase tamu ngimo mwana akuruchiri bisatu. Etamu ngimo mwana akoragere school.
Eskuru yega nige gotoka ase ensemo ya Bochura yere ase bara ya Kisi Nyamataro Road. Asamange bakire simi ase namba 0713097101 gose namba yende ya 0725532424. Ben's Gender Preparatory School, Education for Life.
Eye Nkisi TV amandegere y'umugusi.
Yamono kegima wanchu murigererio Kisi TV karibu na inde asensemo yenda abwasto gukwandire gore Obokoreri asensemo ye Chipara no basombi mebasoko ne Chipara gendrete kororoka na gukorekana chinga kiechiga chiesuguku twatwaroriro tebirenga omoroso okogera abantu bakore basoko ne nyaro gukorekana asensemo ye Chipara okwimukia abantu excess wamenya konyora nende abantu akuminyoka bakabwetanie birengo tariko bwati traffic rules kwa igure keep left and nere inate bigubono bigere road signs
give way give way
gere yaringe number 1 yes bueno twarorire tutareka saba nyanyimbo usichake n'abanyanyimbo they are being placed kama part of the reasons why mvasokone gukorekana. What can you say about that?
Ase blame egocha ezabanyanyimbo manyete bono bali na bakwendos abako ensure on the road rules are followed.
Okay.
Abako roko overspeed, they take action on you. Abako roko what excess, they take action on you. Na bubare on the ground.
Okay.
Murko menna kwa na igora area traffic nero execute those rules. Nero make sure nga again take kiabere observed.
Okay.
Have compromised. More accidents happen. Kono banyete na ende where the double standards come. Kwanyoro yo no moirioye. Kwanyoro yo matebringa famint. Again don't kira. Na abwa to mchando gete. At the back of the matter ngahani gento keri de nimbwa atari yange kibono ngokora. Onyora mondo na already ko gento ko bamagosari. Yakune kama gosari. Being a human being ongia kolengereri. Okay. Shike tu yu peke yake. Mechanderi yanga koraki, yanga koera. So every time we rango koraki, you know the moment you start stepping on a problem, why you solve nendi endo we create because you know there is always a solution. Michuki, igarenge very strict on the road. Igare kubwato montera bana endo bwato musigari.
Okay.
Ni once yani ga banta obabere once number goso bwato. But nende ento bwato personalities mbali. Mbali personality nchiaba chiro kama bit improved. Lakini nende personalities chine na barabu they do their best but that is not the best they can do. So abanyanyimbo igo bakonyora amatemo on the road. Ayoyo kumuchaki bwango nayo kumutu bebirengereri. Onyo urengere nyaye bono linking kwanga nkingo benefit umuntu wesarikali yo kwachi basi kimbwate mechando kenganyete wanchira ne bribe.
Okay.
Agwanchira ne bribe. Tamanye tuko chimuntu alinga umuntu naro guchikukwa. Are you seeing?
Okay.
Bono yategaranga at the end of the day the blame goes to them.
Now we have a license and insurance.
A license ige kworo kibuna omuntu yochire school.
Okay.
Wegeire course ya driving okorira matemu
ekobe myaka erenga
oyitire.
Okay.
We bono twate bogoche school at 18. Above 18 then totebe. Onyora that license. Twabatebiga. Woko tware license yebutara akora na 6 months on the road beke gari yao lana.
Okay.
So omuntu kokorora nsemo na mutu na magagama nyo yonela we respect you on the road. Abantu bate balana ngochide gosoka njitu ngosekera rungochia omanya gotika kobeka lana. Bono komore paroro chinga this one is a driver. Kwanyora kumba senale agokosie problem uchanganyo yonde mbosoko no okorekana. Kero tu abaire that license akore 6 months kabegete lana. Nonye because akona kokora bali bakumugoliya onyo manyanga na magoso. Nabo ndo muntu yese para. Bigenga bunango tare gari driving school. Always people think this is a learner. I'm very comfortable driving it. People always think this is a learner. They don't know that's an expert. Lakini na sengenje yake ine gari yana.
Okay.
Ikibono nero mbwate. Nero ngokorere biashara. I'm proud of that business. I'm marketing that business. Lakini the communication muna ingenda kurwa baka Nairobi. Onko eguri baga that's Alana. That's Alana. That's Alana. But you see, I am not in what miko yerusie ribatriria. Nabano that kona kana muna nena. You know, there is what you call pride. Tige binte bibisire kurwa sawa ntere.
Okay.
Lakini atenga banyamasi mboyo mwepara. And you see bone gendo kenda saying ngende kitwa about insurance. Insurance chigali nchibwate igali okogenda para neba ne pigipigi wiketo kene bwate insurance such that in case yomo basokonondo rabe igali na bekwira ni una insurance umuntu nabagwaka na insurance in case bono bati bayo kule the insurance takes responsibility.
But ngero keri bakora check mutu gali gosono bwate
PSV
ekinkiwana
PSV ne it's like a sticker egento gekuro kinga are you on the right route. Umuntu nabwende kubwo public ikera no ene kero kuli nabo gali oboboke na ndi gwakana chibesororo in case of any accident insurance igali litego gwakana because it's a private ekero le PSV ekwe commercial or PSV insurance.
Okay.
Elibona it caters for the passengers whoever it is ne drive oli lakini private ne gali yao insurance eko cater for the people talibaka ne tabara I'm carrying my family it is private and limited yomanyete and with what it can compensate for.
Okay.
So the insurance is key, license is key, PSV is key.
Oh, that's what wale bibitato.
Yes, I got
a license yao.
Yes.
Oh,
the license
after how long are they renewed?
The insurance is after 1 year. Insurance in license na they are 3 years, but they are 1 year. So it depends na unachete. A PSV is 1 year, you renew yearly. Now in the PSV usually say sako. We go over confirmed kurasi sako.
Okay.
So the circle people now by PSV na bago approve. Na bago ye confirm that this one is our person.
But now for the last legal code rama chikonaro are supposed to be implemented since Chipara. And I got no comment chibesa chio Obokoreri se Chipara. The PSV sijui license zinaongezwa bei kubadilisha rangi sijui kufanya nini. What do you think of those rules?
We don't know what is changing. The government is really increasing those levies so big ways.
Okay.
Your economy still get down. Umuntu even about the driving school vehicle. In the driving school business, I'm supposed to pay. I'm not able to pay. That means simply I stop doing the business. So it as much as we want to improve our economy and services to deliver service delivery to people, there are some charges still exorbitant. Really, we don't understand why our change and work on 50,000. I don't know what's any license yet. What you're paying for the school is 15,000 or 20,000. Going to 50, what has changed?
Okay.
What has changed? If the economy is bad, better ways should be looked at.
Okay.
So my view is that is even now pressuring people more, but it's stable even when driving on the road. Because you know this one I've not achieved, this one is a problem, I don't know what to do. And even if we sustain economically, then they get a problem.
Okay.
Yes.
Aya, asante sana mwancho murigererio kise TV sokobera nencha sentune ndangani Ayatoikeire mwagenito akoro kwa lista Mokeira Nyamasege. Asante sana daktari.
Thank you.
Yeah, we shall be having more of this. I know it has been a short time.
Yeah.
And somebody is really fatigued.
Yeah, I know I am saying it. Sorry.
Yeah, but we'll have more of this. Let us see how the bill will go and what does it mean to the future of driving.
Yes.
Driving school
that's what simply it means.
Okay.
People would run away from them. Yeah.
Maybe ujumbe how yo mwerio.
Torende hasi Chipara torendane kuna mondereva kuna yogotara no kugoro kwenda ne motorbike. Safety starts with you.
Okay, asante sana. Tukuraenda sense mende studio. Elvis aranyaro koraya ira kinini mboto magini gutigocha sense mende studio. Tuchiko kwa na sense moyo Obokoreri asubu ntuliria. Barura sense moyo Obosombi ne Chipara. abwata maguta ya korosi by the way bagute chingen
Wow.
akomita kurwa
Ile ya
sunflower.
avocado, sunflower.
I don't know how it is done, but I'm expecting to get some
solvent
skills.
extraction.
Oh, nile ya
What you did
chemistry.
your chemistry. Yeah.
Oh, that is great.
That is the solvent extraction.
Okay, asante sana. Tuende semende studio kuruku JOAN KWAMBOKA.
DR.LISTER MASEGE. Karibu Zion Link.
Okay.
Thank you.
Eye Nkisi TV amandegere y'umuguzi.
Hey kids, this holiday season, Star Times is keeping the fun times rolling.
Absolutely awesome!
Enjoy more playdates with your besties Jim Jam and ST Kids.
It's hero time!
Save the world with our superheroes on Toonami. Visit cool places with Mindset Learn